Hello friends and people, this is Paul from Do You Know Mate, and I am back with another new video. This time our topic is World Water Day, which is on 22nd of March. Now, without wasting any time, let's start to go with it. So, what is World Water Day and why we celebrate it? World Water Day is an annual United Nations Observance Day, always on 22nd March, that highlights the importance of fresh water. The day is used to advocate for the sustainable management of fresh water resources. World Water Day is celebrated around the world with a variety of events. These can be educational, theatrical, musical, and lobbying in nature. The day can also include campaigns to raise money for water projects. The first World Water Day designated by the United Nations was commemorated in 1993. Each year, many countries celebrate World Water Day. Now, let's talk about some facts related to water crisis. 100 million families are stuck in a cycle of poverty and disease because they don't have access to safe water. More people die from unsafe water than from all forms of violence, including war. Waterborne diseases kill more children under the age of 5 than malaria, measles, and HIV or AIDS combined. In developing countries, as much as 80% of illnesses are linked to poor water and sanitation conditions. Women and girls spend up to 6 hours every day walking to get water for their families. The average distance that women in Africa and Asia walk to collect water is approximately 3.7 miles. That is 19,500 steps every day just to get water that is making them sick. Immense number of school days are lost each year due to water-related diseases. Time spent gathering water around the world translates to approximately $24 billion in lost economic benefits each year, furthering the cycle of poverty. Every dollar invested in safe water and improved hygiene and sanitation results in approximately $8 of increased economic activity. That's all friends and people for today. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. I will see you on the next video. Thank you.